Help! Help! I'm stuck up a tree! Help!
Never fear, my inferior mortal friend. Erdington boy is here.
Oh, thank God. Erdington boy has come to save me.
Let me use my superpowers to help you down.
Gee, thanks Erdington boy. Is there any way I can repay you?
Funny you should ask, friend. I want you to help me rid the world of the evil tyranny and make it a wonderful place again.
No.
But I need you! I need you!
It's the adventures of Erdington Boy and friends.
Put your hand in a parting wave, pass around.
I'm great, you already knew that.
Comes through a backwash frame. Find the copies in a carbon mount, pass around. Stroke a pocket with the print of a lapping sound. Get around town, get around town. Good where the music is loud. Get around town, you need to stand proud. Add your voice to the sound of the crowd.
Could the world be in trouble again? Oh, of course it can. Meanwhile, welcome to Ashby de la Zouche. Nice, isn't it? However, evil lurks in this idyllic setting. It is I, Contour, and I will wreak havoc in this Ashby de la Zouche by playing with gravity and stuff. Take this, fiend!
I think there's some evil going on.
Aha! Whoa, whoa.
I think there's some evil happening.
Nah. Take a these. And a these.
You know what? I think there's some evil going on.
You know what? You might be right.
Could it possibly be time to don our superhero outfits? That console's up to no good.
But where could he be?
Oh. Aha! The park, you say?
Let's go. Jumping jelly beans. We need somewhere to get changed.
What about this very conveniently placed woodland?
Let's go.
Diddling.
Never fear, ladies, I'll rid the world of the evil tyranny of Contour.
Oh, look at it! What?
I'll get you for this, Contour.
Holy baloney, Erdington boy. Let's suck him.
You do not scare me, for I am Contour. Oh no, what is? Oh. Later.
Hi there, once. How does it feel to be the greatest guy alive, and sexy, and stop the crook?
Well, you know, when you're this good, it's just, you know, natural.
Ow! Oh my god! Are you okay?
Remember, kids, win or lose, it's all about the team effort, really. And even though Wallace got all the glory, we don't mind because we're in a team. And Dom, there's no I in team, but there is in Erdington.
There's also a T. And
Yes.
some other letters.
Like R and D.
And an E. Of course.
You've covered the E.
Don't worry, kids. They will be back. Next time evil rears its ugly head. But until then...
I think I'll go home and mull this over for a crown it down my throat. At long last it's crashed, it's collapsed.